Hi, this is Mike Schwartz, and in the next 3 minutes I'm going to explain to you why SSO is overrated. Well, first, what is SSO? SSO, or single sign-on, is the ability of a person to log into a website and never have to re-enter their username and password again. While SSO is an important tactical objective for certain websites, especially portals, the business value to be gained from just central authorization is even greater. If your organization has a large number of applications, having each app developer write their own business logic for authentication is A, insecure, and B, leaves the organization with a lack of flexibility to adapt to changing business requirements and new authentication mechanisms. For example, let's say you have 100 websites and mobile application, and let's say you want to use a new type of authentication that's stronger and more convenient for people. You don't want to have to re-upgrade and re-QA all your applications. By using a central authentication service, you can easily update the business logic for that authentication without having to change the code in each application. I would also add that with the advent of mobile authentication requirements, traditional SSO approaches are falling short. For example, if I log into my mobile application, I wouldn't expect to see my web browser automatically signed in. So, single sign-on, I think, only makes sense within the context of a single browser or a single web application, and not necessarily when we're factoring in the explosion of devices that people are using to access content. So, for that reason, I conclude SSO, overrated.